What's up mga guys? Natakaroon na rin sa Mandawi. So we are looking for a food na medyo popular ngayon sa social media, like Diwata Paris Overload. Pero ngayon, susubukan natin ngayon kasi hindi naman tayo pwede makapunta ng Manila kasi medyo malayo. Wala tayong pangdatong para sa pamasay. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Mandawi, sa may Kabangkalan, para tikman ang kanilang Paris Overload. So let's go guys. Diri sa Atbang Social, new shell diri sa may Kanduman. Yan. Yan. Atbang Radyo sa Social. And this is the place.
Come talk to me. You're looking like you're wondering if we're here for the same reason. And now that you wanna lay in the sun, getting love drunk, sticking like honey. Yeah, I bet you're here for some fun with that someone, feeling that something. If you're looking for a good time, honey, I'm right here. If you're looking for the good life, good vibes, honey, I'm right here. And I'm waiting for you. And I love you in your summer skin, looking at you, looking like you're into it. We're here for the same reason. Yeah, I just wanna lay in the sun, getting love drunk, sticking like honey, like honey. Yeah, 'cause I'm just here for some fun with that someone, feeling that something, that something. If you're looking for a good time, honey, I'm right here.